how can you create quality art prints at home? For creating any art print, you need a laptop or any desktop computer or MacBook, whatever you like to prefer. And it's a great idea if you're carrying any tablet also that can be affordable than the laptop. You can have any affordable printer you need for your prints. You can look into the market, you can look for the printer in your local shops. You can also check out online, or you can buy any second-hand printer to get your job done. And rest thing is depends on the quality of the ink which you're using for your printer, which company of the printer you are using, and which paper you are inserting for producing your art prints. It depends on the quality of the paper, quality of the ink, quality of the printer. You can print a few prints as sample. To check out the quality, you need the right software. Like you can try Adobe Photoshop, which will get your job done for creating any art prints. You can give it a try. Let's take an example of this watercolor painting. This is original artwork, as you can see on the screen clearly. This is Dr. School, as everybody know. For example, if you want to have really good quality print of this painting, first of all you need a good camera for taking better quality picture. Scanner would also get your job done. Also, scanner would be the best option. Camera would also do your job. If you want more clarity, more pixel of the image, like 4K, 8K, you can take picture of this original painting for the better quality. And here is another painting of Tigger from the Winnie the Pooh. For creating art prints of this painting, you need better camera also, a scanner. You can choose either of them. You can choose scanner also. If you want more clarity and better option, you can go for DSLR camera. That will also get your job done, like I said before. You can also give that a try, and it still depends on your quality of taking pictures. Also, rest depends on your printer, ink, and the pages which you are using for printing your digital for prints which you are creating for yourself. And you can, and next thing we can see on any kind of print, if you are really good at editing your pictures, editing your art prints, rest depends on your editing skills also. If you're really good at editing, if you know some basic about Adobe Photoshop, you can bring the best out of your prints, and that will be the best option if you are having any skills for the editing. You can also learn basics from anybody who is expert at editing from local studio. You can give it a try for learn some basics to make your art piece look better. Yeah. Thank you very much, my friend, for watching this video. If you have any question regarding this video, you can comment down below, and don't forget to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe this channel also. Thank you so much.